If you are a content creator, marketer, or YouTuber in 2026, you have probably heard of Higgsfield AI and Artlist. But there is this thing. These tools do very different jobs. In this video, I'll break down features, pricing, pros and cons, and help you decide which one actually makes sense for you. What each platform is. Higgsfield AI is an AI video generation tool. You type a prompt and it creates cinematic AI generated videos, no camera, no actors, no editing skills required. Artlist, on the other hand, is a stock media platform. It gives you royalty free music, sound effects, stock videos, and templates, but you still do the editing. So, right away, AI creation versus traditional stock assets. Key features comparison. Higgsfield AI features text to video AI generation, cinematic camera movements and lighting, AI characters and environments, fast video creation for ads, reels, and shorts. No filming or stock footage needed. Artlist features huge library of royalty free music, stock video footage and sound effects, video templates and LUTs, unlimited downloads while subscribed, works with Premiere Pro, Final Cut, After Effects. Higgsfield creates videos from scratch. Artlist supports videos you already edit. Ease of use. Higgsfield AI is extremely beginner friendly. If you can write a sentence, you can make a video. Artlist is easy too, but you'll still need editing software, basic editing knowledge, time to assemble everything. So if speed matters, Higgsfield wins here. Pricing in 2026. Higgsfield AI subscription based pricing depends on video length, quality, and usage. Best for creators who need AI generated content regularly. Artlist fixed yearly subscription. One license covers sound effects and footage. Excellent value for long term creators and agencies. Artlist is more predictable. Higgsfield is more flexible but usage based. Pros and cons. Higgsfield AI Pros. No filming or editing, extremely fast, perfect for ads and short form content. Higgsfield AI Cons. Limited creative control compared to manual editing, not ideal for long form storytelling. Artlist Pros. High quality professional assets, clear commercial licensing, works for any video style. Artlist Cons. Requires editing skills, doesn't create videos for you. Final verdict. Which one wins? Here's the honest answer. Choose Hexfield AI if you want fast AI generated videos with minimal effort. Choose Artlist if you are a serious editor or YouTuber who needs reliable stock footage. There is no single winner. Hexfield replaces production, Artlist enhances production. And if you found this comparison helpful, please consider like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get all the news about the AI field. And tell me down below in the comments which one did you choose and how was your experience with it. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison.